record this meeting. So guys, Jason told us that 10 minutes after 2:34 is 2:44. Who wants to tell us the time of that clock? And raise your hand, please, if you've got it. Remember, it's not quite yet 4. Eleanor.
3:57.
Yes, it
That's
is.
the same thing.
It is. Oh, that's awesome. Guys, it's literally 3 minutes away from 4 o'clock. So Stella, if we add 10 minutes to that, what do we get?
4:07.
Right. And maybe that's what Jason was telling us before. So really, really nice job. Now, Jason B, do you want to tell us the time for that clock?
38.
What's the hour?
5:38.
5:38 is brilliant. Exactly. 5, not yet 6 o'clock. 30, that's at the 6, 35 at the 7, and then 1, 2, 3 more, 5:38. And everybody, tell me 10 minutes later. Who's got that? Raise your hand if you know 10 minutes later than 5:38. Everybody say it on 3. 1. Jason Fang, can you please unmute yourself? 2, 3, go.
5:48.
Wow, that is awesome. That is awesome. Now, the next question we have is this. We have a TV show which starts at 6:25 p.m. and it ends at 7:10 p.m. How many minutes is the show? How many minutes? Now, nobody answer out loud. Everybody write it down. The way I like to think about it is how many minutes until 7 o'clock, and then how many minutes from 7 o'clock to 7:10. And then I smush those together and I get my answer. And I love doing time mathematics because we tell time all the time. And guys, look at my clock right now. Do you see that it's what time? You can say it if you have it. Go ahead. Go ahead, Jason.
6:10 and 6:10 and maybe 6:11.
Well, it's not yet 6 o'clock, so it's 5:10 because the hour hand is pointing right at the 5. Eleanor, do you know how many minutes it is from 6:25 to 7:10?
45.
Wow. Yes, it is. Because everybody from 6:25 to 7 p.m. is 35 minutes. And then we add that to 10 minutes, which is 7 o'clock to 7:10. And then we get 45 minutes. Did everybody else get that?
Yes.
All right. Now, the next one is all about Mr. Jackson. He takes a plane and it leaves at 9:30 a.m. If the flight lasts for 6 hours, 20 minutes. When will the plane land? But when you answer this question, you have to tell me if it's AM or PM. Let's see if you can do that. Write it out. 9:30 AM, and the flight lasts 6 hours and 20 minutes. And remember, it's important that you tell me AM or PM.
I'm ready.
Okay, I want to make sure everybody else is ready. All right. Raise your hand if you got it. Raise your hand if you've got it. Raise your hand. I got Stella. Maybe we'll do it together for the other people. Stella, give me the answer and then we'll work backwards.
3:50 p.m.
Oh, 3:50 p.m. is correct. Now, everybody else has to look at the screen.
Me too.
If you take 9:30 and you add 6 hours, just 6 hours, you get 3 hours till 12 o'clock and then 3 o'clock p.m. Then we have to add another 20 minutes, which will, oh, I'm sorry. I meant to say 3:30. And then adding 20 minutes gives us 3:50 p.m. Does that make sense to everybody? Jason, does that make sense? Jason B, you raised your hand. Yeah, that makes sense. Good, good. How about you, Eleanor?
Yes.
Oh, lovely. Jason F, how about you? Yes, very nice, very nice. Okay, everybody. The next thing is a baseball game. It was going to be on May 21st, but it was postponed, made later by 1 week. What was the new date for the game? So 1 week after May 21st. That's what you want to know. I want to know the month, which in this case was May, and I want to know the date. And remember, the first date was the 21st, but we have to go 1 week later. So I want to know what you have to say. So write it down and raise your hand. Okay, raise your hand if you got it. Looks like Eleanor and Jason F have it. Why don't you guys say it on 3? Month first. You too, Stella. You too, Jason. On 3. 1, 2, 3. And nice and easy.
May 13th.
May 28th. And Jason B, look up on this, May 28th. Now, watch this, everybody. I happen to put a little schedule up, a calendar for May 2022, which is our year right now. And if it was supposed to be on the 21st, but it was 1 week later, do you guys see the 28th right underneath?
Yes.
So
Yes.
do you
Yeah.
notice, what do you guys notice about every pair of numbers? And I'm going to show it to you like this: 2 and 9, 11 and 18, 22 and 29, 10 and 17, 1 and 8. Jason B, what do you notice?
The top number plus 7 equals the bottom number.
Right. So all we have to do for these problems is add 7. If I want to know 1 week later, I simply add 7. Any questions about that? All right. Watch this, guys. Wednesday first. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Whenever I do problems about days of the month, I always make a little chart. I don't like my chart because I'm not making very good lines right now. So I'm just going to use easier lines for me. Now, what if I told you guys that June 1st was a Wednesday? Okay, so I'm going to tell you right now that June 1st is a Wednesday. What day? So the question is, hold on a second. What day is June 30th, which is Mr. Kramer's
Birthday.
wife's birthday?
Birthday.
So that's Dr. Eileen. So let's see what day is her birthday. Everybody get to work.
I think that day is a Saturday, so we can say happy birthday.
I'm gonna go, Stella, while you're doing this, I'm gonna find out if any of my family is gonna have their birthday on a Saturday. Not me. Mine will be a Sunday. Alex's will be a Wednesday. Michael's will be a Sunday too. Not this year. And remember your job. Add 7, add 7.
I don't actually understand the question. I mean, doesn't it? So that means like what day is June 30th? Doesn't it already say the answer, which is June 30th?
So what day do you think it is, Stella?
Well, I mean, like you just said what day is June 30th, but
Yeah, like what day? Is it a Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, or Saturday?
Right.
Go ahead, Eleanor.
Thursday.
Thursday. Thursday. Everybody look up, please. Let's check out Eleanor's answer. We have June 1st. 7 days later. June, come on, help me. June,
8.
7 days later.
June 15.
7 days later.
June
22.
7 days later.
June
9.
9.
And guess what? Guess what? Eleanor found my wife's birthday. It's going to be on a Thursday this year. And do you know what that means? That is Eileen's day off, which means I'm going to get to spend the whole day on her birthday. Woo! That's awesome. I'm pretty excited. Now, very, very quickly, I want to ask you guys, what day is your birthday? And I'm going to start with Jason B.
February 8th.
February 8th. February 8th. So I'm going to say Jason, February 8th. And by the way, Jason, February 8th, let's see. I'm going to tell you that February 1st is going to be a Tuesday. Okay, now Stella.
My birthday is right before Halloween, which is October 30th.
October 30th. All right, hold on a second. October 30th. October 30th. And I will tell you that October 1st is a Saturday.
Are you sure?
October 1st is definitely a Saturday. Now, Eleanor, when is your birthday?
July 8th.
July 8th. And that is my friend Eleanor. Whoops. And Eleanor, by the way, Mr. Kramer is July 17th. So Eleanor, July 8th. And let's see, July 1st. July 1st is a Friday. And finally, Mr. Jason. Jason F., when's your birthday? And Jason F., can you sit up a little bit?
February 21.
February 21?
Yes.
Okay, Jason, I want you to rise in your chair because I can only see the top of your head. I can only see the top of your head. There you go. Sit straight up. So February 1st is a Tuesday. Now, everybody look at Jason B's birthday, February 8th. What day is going to be his birthday? Raise your hand if you know. Nobody knows? If February 1st is a Tuesday, go Jason.
Tuesday.
Of course, because it's 7 days later than February 1st. Now, Stella, your job is a little bit harder because if October 1st is a Saturday, then what are some of the other Saturdays, everybody? Come on, October
8th.
8th, keep going.
15th,
15. Keep going.
22nd,
Jason F, unmute yourself.
29th.
29. So the 29th is a Saturday. What day will Stella have as her birthday?
Monday.
No.
Sunday.
Yes, it's Sunday because it's
I accidentally thought that was Sunday itself.
no worries. So it's one day after Saturday. It's Sunday. Stella, you are a Sunday this year. Jason B, you are a Tuesday. Eleanor, what day of the week will you be celebrating your birthday this year? Come on, July 1st is a Friday. Yours is July 8th. You should all be trying to answer this. Jason F, Stella, Jason B. Come on, Eleanor. The July 8th is 7 days after July 1st. Exactly 1 week. So come on, Eleanor, what do you think?
Friday.
Of course, you are a Friday this year. Woohoo! Now, one question before we get to Jason F. And Jason F, can you please rise in your seat so we can see you, just like I can see Jason B and I can see Stella and Eleanor. Rise, Jason, take the computer screen and move it down. Because if you move the computer screen down, you don't even have to sit up. It's amazing. Now, Mr. Kramer, it's July 17th. What day of the week am I? Raise your hand if you've got it. And by the way, I would use Eleanor. Stella, go for it.
Sunday.
Of course, Mr. Kramer is going to celebrate on a Sunday this year. And that's because the Friday, July 8th is Eleanor's birthday. Then Friday, July 15th, and then 16th, 17th, 2 more days to Sunday, July 17th. Now, last but not least, my friend Jason F. He was born on February 21st. And if February 1st is a Tuesday, what's the next Tuesday? Come on, guys. February
8th.
8th, and then?
15th.
And then?
22nd.
But wait a minute, if the 22nd is a Tuesday, when will Jason F? Nobody answered. Nobody answered. Jason F, have it. Jason F, do you know your birthday this year? What day? If the 22nd is a Tuesday, Jason F, what will be your birthday? Jason, look at me.
Sunday.
Oh, not quite. What's one day before Tuesday, Jason? Just one day.
Wednesday.
That's the day after Tuesday. Jason, look at this. Look at the schedule here. Here's Tuesday. What day, Jason, is before Tuesday?
Mr. Kramer.
Monday.
Monday. Very good. Stella, what were you going to say?
I think Jason already said it before you asked him.
Okay, I did not hear that. I didn't hear that, but thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. So guys, Jason B, Tuesday, Stella, Sunday, Eleanor, Friday, Jason F, Monday, Mr. Kramer, Sunday. Lots and lots of fun. is going to be had this year. Okay. Have we done this problem yet?
Yes.
I thought we did. What about this one?
Yes. Yeah.
And okay, so now I have to go to the next one. Oh, yes. I know what we have. I know what we have. Here we go. Okay. So we have 4 different items. Now, the first thing Mr. Kramer does is he buys 1 calculator and 1 bag. How much money does 1 calculator and 1 bag cost? And we're going to write down the calculator cost, $8.95. We write an 8.95. The dot is the decimal, the 95 is the cents, and the 8 is the dollar. The bag is going to be $16.59. Now notice you must line up the decimals. If you don't line up the decimals, you cannot do addition or subtraction. And the decimal in the answer goes right below. So you go calculate that and then let me know, please. All right, everybody ready, set, go.
Go to 20 cents. 25.50 dollars.
Let's see if it works. 5 plus 9 is 14. 9 and 1 plus 5 is 15. 6 and 8 and 1 is 15. 1 and 1 make 2. Guys, you are awesome. You are awesome. Now, the next one is going to be a little bit different. We're going to buy 2 pens and a book. And now I'm not going to write down anything because I want you guys to learn how to write it out and line up the decimals.
I got it.
I know I'm waiting for everybody else. Jason's got it. Okay, so I'm gonna let Jason tell me what you got, buddy. Go for it.
7, 9.10.
9.10, and that would be $1.25 twice, $6.60. And oh boy, look at this. Everybody give Jason a round of applause. Awesome. Awesome, awesome, awesome. Would you guys like to try another one?
Yeah.
Okay. I'm going to give you another one then. And this one, I'm going to make it a little harder. Wait. All right. 3 pens and a calculator. All right. I'm going to let Eleanor answer this one. And Eleanor, let me write down the 3 pens and the calculator. And you can tell me how much we're talking about here. 1, 2, 3, go.
$12.70.
Wow. Awesome. That was great. That was great. Now, did everybody else get close? How about you, Jason B?
Yeah, I got the same thing.
Good. How
But
about you, Stella?
I got the same thing.
And Jason, were you going to ask a question, buddy? Jason, were you going to ask a question?
Which Jason?
The one that tried to ask a question. That would be you, Jason B.
No, I wasn't asking a question.
All right. And Jason F, did you get that too? Jason F, did you get that too? Jason F, did you get that too?
Yes.
All right. Now, guys, the next one is the most fun because we're doing 2 of each. 2 of each. And there's 2 ways to solve this. And I'm going to let you guys figure out your best way. And I'm going to do mine on another page. And then I'll show you both ways. Guys getting close? Okay, who's got it? I'm gonna go with Jason B on this one.
$50.19.
All right. And how did you do it, Jason?
So I no, I wrote no, two 6.60s on the very top, then two 8.95s, two 1.25s, and actually I forgot to write the last bag. I forgot to
Oh, wait a minute. So you're telling me that if I added 1659 to your answer, 1659?
I actually forgot to write one more bag. I only wrote one bag. I forgot.
All right, guys, wait a minute. So Jason, you would have gotten $66.78. Now, does anybody else have the same number? Does anybody else have the same number? I'm looking for Stella, Eleanor, and Jason to tell me if they have the same number. I'm looking for Stella, Eleanor, and Jason F to tell me where they are right now. Eleanor, do you want to share where you are? Stella?
I got $66.78.
And what about you, Eleanor?
$86.78.
All right, Jason F, how about you?
$88 and 78 cents.
So guys, I did it two separate ways. I did it the way that Jason B did it. Look up Jason F. And I listed all 8 items and I got the same number as Jason. Then I did it another way. All I did was add 1 bag, 1 book, 1 calculator, and 1 pen, and got $33.39. Then what did I do here? Stella, what did I do here?
And then you add what you got to get. I mean, double it.
I doubled it. Because if I double it, then you know that I'll have 2 of each. And
I
guess
did the
what?
same solution.
Oh, and they're exactly the same. They're exactly the same. So I really like that problem. It's so much fun. All right, are you guys ready for the next problem?
Yeah. Yep.
Now, I want to ask a question first. And the question is, if I buy a book for $8 and I pay with a $20 bill, what is my change? Who can tell me my change? Jason F.
12.
Yes. Jason, how did you get 12?
8 minus 20 equals 12.
And you are right, but you have to say it a little bit differently. 20 minus 8 equals 12. Are you guys ready? Does everybody understand what change is? Change is what, Jason B? Change is what you get back when you pay with more money.
I knew that.
Awesome. Now you can answer these questions. After you finish one of them, you can do the next one. Okay, who thinks they can answer this one? Think they can answer this one? All right. Here we go. On 3. 1, 2, 3, go.
7.00.
$7.00. Anybody have a different number? Go ahead, Eleanor.
$2.90.
Now, Jason F., look at me in the eye, please. Jason F., you gotta look at me, buddy. If you pay with $10 and you take away $7.10, let's do the subtraction, everybody. Are you ready? Jason B., Stella, you ready? 0 minus 0 is 0. 0 is too small for 1. So we make this 0 a 1, a 10. We take that from the 0, make it a 9. We borrow from the 1 to make it a 0. $2.90. Jason F., do you understand that? Jason, if the book costs $3, then your change would be $7. Do you understand that, Jason? Because 10 minus 3 equals 7. Who can answer the next question? Raise your hand. Eleanor.
$0.55.
And once again, $5 minus $4.45. Let's do the math. Make that 0 a 10. Borrow from the 0. Always borrow the next. And 55 cents. Now, I'm going to do this again. Everybody write this down. We pay with $30, but it cost us $27.38. What is our change? Okay, we've got some hands up. Jason F., I'd like to hear what you have to say. Go for it.
The answer is $26.02.
So say it one more time, buddy.
$26.02.
26 point what?
2.
Now, I think what you meant to say, Jason, was $2.62. Remember, Jason, the decimal has to go.
$26.02.
No, because Jason, borrow, $2.62. So Jason, you had the right idea, but the decimal stays directly under the other decimals. $2.62. Anybody have any questions as to why I did this, that, and that? If you don't have any questions, that means you got the same thing. But if you got something different, you must tell me, please. Go ahead, Stella.
I don't really understand because I got $3.72.
$3.72. Oh, so Stella, what you did, Stella, is you made everything a 10. Right? And then somehow you borrowed to make that a 2. And then that would have been $3.72. But no, no, no. That is not what we do. Look up, everybody. 0, look up, Jason F. If 0 is too small for 8, we make it a 10. But the only way to do that, Eleanor, is to borrow this one from where?
0.
And the 0 is really a 10. 10 minus 1 is 9. So we make it a 9. But then we have to keep borrowing and we make this 10 a 9. And then we have to borrow again to make that 3 a 2. 9 minus 7 is 2. 9 minus 3 is 6. 10 minus 8 is 2. Everybody look up for a second, please. If I have $100 and I bought something worth $62.47, everybody watch. 0 becomes a 10, borrow to make a 9, borrow to make a 9, borrow to make a 9, borrow to make a 0, 37.53. Stella, go.
I have a class right now.
And so we are done in 1 minute. You have to go, you go. But Stella, do you guys understand? Do you guys understand how we are carrying? How about you, Jason B? All right. How about you, Jason F? How about you, Eleanor? No. So Eleanor, which part of this are you having trouble with? Is it the 10 or is it the 9s? Or is it the one after the 9?
I understand.
You do. Okay, my recommendation, guys, is practice subtraction all week long. If you do that, you will be an expert. And experts that are mathematicians, wow, we are awesome. I'll see you guys in a week. Bye.
Bye.
Take care.